Hey, it's me, Keith, with KO Imports, and today I'm going to test drive the car. I'm going to take some hits on the car to see how the shifter do, because what happened is I got the shifter fixed, and I think I can shift into third real easy. So let's take some hits one. Let's go. Now, this I could go in smooth like butter. Just pop right in third. I'm ready. I see 11, low 11s coming right now, easily. Maybe even high 10. Maybe I crank up the boost a little bit, and bam, mid 10. What's up, y'all guys? It's me, Keith, with KO Imports, and I got a new project going on today. It's this 1995 Honda Civic SI hatchback. What's in there is a H22 VTEC engine. I think it's knocking or something like that, but what I'm gonna do is go ahead and pull out the motor and put a fully built all motor, probably H22 or maybe H23 VTEC, but it depends. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this all motor because I already got my MR2 that's turbocharged. So let's take a look at this car. Let's have a walk around this hatchback. It's pretty clean. Body pretty straight. What we got here? Inky wheels. Not bad. Love the sunroof. That's perfect right there. Body seems fair enough straight. That still got the factory sticker on there. I need a new sticker. Someone need to donate me a sticker or something. Oh yeah, good project. Body seems straight and everything. Let's check out the inside. Look at that power window. Nice. Black interior. Yep. Hey, look, factory carpet. Yeah. Oh, this is ripped a little bit. It's fine. Okay. Airbag. Okay. Let's check out the back. Bad. Nice. Not too dirty. Well kept. Maybe a little work, but I've seen worse. Yeah. Let's open up the hood and see what's under here. That's a must. Perfect. H23. Oh, H23 VTEC. Nice. Got torque on it. Yeah. Always bone. So gotta swap that out. I like what I'm seeing. Not bad. Good project. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this all molder. It's gonna be a good project for me. I like it. What y'all guys think? Very clean. Very clean. Yep, let's start tearing this molder apart and put a new one in. Wow, that was something. Whew, I'm tired. Okay, the motor's out now. Yes, engine bay look like crap, but I'm gonna clean it up. If I'm not gonna clean it up, I'm gonna at least put, well, let my friend clean it up, probably bring it to a body shop and let them clean it up for me and then paint the engine bay again red and keep this hatch red. So in the meantime, I'm going to order some parts, make it H22 all molder. I'm going to keep this red hatchback all molder because I already got my MR2 that's turbocharged. Let's take a look at the engine that I pull out again. So yeah, I mean, please continue watching. If you haven't, please subscribe, leave a comment, and click the like button. Till then, I'll see you next time.